Alrighty, so both axles are in for the Rash Hatch truck R53, so now I can finally start the process of swapping new axles into it.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself, there's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last.
this is what I look like. It's a hot mess. I didn't get any footage of the axle going in and we're lining it up because it took forever. It is the middle of the night. But the good news is that we got the axles in, as well as the new motor mount. You can see this one's a bit done. So, yeah. We're doing the thing. Now I just gotta put the wheels on and put the car down and then tighten the axles the rest of the way. Alrighty, so it is the next day. We have both axles in on this car. Thank the Lord. It took so long on the passenger side. It did not want to go in. And yeah, it was giving us a big pain. But the driver's side went in like that. Probably 15 minutes total. So can't complain on that one. I can't complain on the passenger side because it was being a huge pain. But we did find another problem. When I went to tighten the driver's side axle nut, the whole wheel shifted. So that's going to be something that we are looking into. So the fun never stops. The repairs never end. It's the way of it. They're old. I'm just trying to make the most of it and fix this car up right. I don't want to let anything go. That's really how I try to be with all my cars. I try not to just live with anything that I know is wrong. So that will be in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.